bad girl and your friends bad too. Oh, you got the swag, so she drippin' swag goo. You a bad girl and your friends bad too. Oh, you got the swag, so she drippin' swag goo. Oh.
What's up, Life is Kia? Welcome back to my channel. And y'all, we got another TikTok made me buy. So, I know y'all seen this brand. I know y'all seen this brand going around TikTok. I know y'all did. So I decided to jump ship. And buy it. So, I got the try before you buy combo. And I took it out the box, but I want to show y'all the box. Y'all, this is some fancy packaging. Look at that. That's some fancy packaging. So I got the Maxx foundation and I know I'm just learning about this concealer. Boy, I'm rude. How y'all doing? Welcome back to my channel. Life is Kia. Welcome back to my channel. So anyway, let's go back to the saying. So Maxx, this is not sponsored by the way. I just had a little money and I decided to go get it. I just wanted to try because y'all know I'm trying to be a girl. So I'm trying to be a girl. So they on the site, if y'all are, you know, not new to them, you take a short little quiz and then they tell you your shade match. So we're gonna see if this is see if they got it right. We're gonna see if they got this right. So they matched me at this here, 165 and foundation. Drop it. And what this? Y'all, I'm blind. It's either 13 or 12. It's either 13 or 12 in the concealer. So we're gonna see if this is a match. And I got more makeup because right now I only got one thing of makeup and girls don't have that. So yeah, let's see if this is a match. This was a brand new one. I did try it out, but so put it on my face. Too dark, y'all.
Like damn, she in her move. Like damn, she in her move. Like damn, she in her move. Like damn, she in her move.
So like a ghost.
Money too. Like damn, she in her move.
Is it my shade? Is it?
In the mirror, I'm doing my dance. Ain't packing out nobody's pants.
It's my
You a
shade.
rapper, but don't got a chance. Suck it.
Get a better look before I do the whole thing. Is it? Is it my shade? So I'm gonna go put it on my whole face. And y'all go tell me, is it my shade or not? So, do I like a ghost? Is it my shade? Is it? Oh, there. Is it my shade? I think it match. I don't think, I know it match. I'm trying to get in the perfect light, but